Here's how to install ButterCut on a Mac in just 90 seconds. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up buttercut.io. Then scroll down to the Getting Started section, and we're going to copy this command here, and then you're going to paste in that git clone command. Once Claude is open, just say install ButterCut. ButterCut already has a skill set up that's going to walk you through the entire process of installing all the dependencies. It's just going to handle it all for you. If you really care about your dependencies, you'll probably want to click Advanced. If you already use Mise and Brew, you can just click Simple. It's going to tell us all the dependencies it needs to install, and we can just basically watch it check through them. Along the way, you're going to have to give a lot of approvals. The slowest part of this whole process is installing Ruby and Python. I'm hoping to someday do like a compiled binary so it can just download it and run it. But for now, this is how Mise works. Once Ruby and Python are out of the way, then we'll install FFmpeg and a CPU version of WhisperX. We use WhisperX to do audio transcriptions, and in particular, it gives us very specific word-by-word timings. Congratulations, you've got ButterCut installed. Now you're ready to make your first video library.